not the best shot, but this is Cromwell Lane level crossing Nottingham
Oh
machine.
dear, Adam! Adam! Whoa!
What?
Whoa! Right, time's 11:30.
Oh,
we've
Jesus.
11:21 Delta Road 9 from King's Cross to Leeds. Call it into your father, Adam.
King's Cross to Leeds. I think a skirt just broke.
Adam, report it into your father. That's too dangerous.
Crap! It just.
If someone's on the crossing, that'll literally smash them in the face. It'll knock their head off.
Did that just break?
Yeah.
I think we're going to need an action replay.
Split in half here.
I think we're going to need an action replay.
Yeah, that's too dangerous. We will stick it for 38 to get another proper shot of it.
I didn't get that on video.
Yeah?
Nope.
Oh, you typical man.
Or I did get it on video, man.
So all they need to do is just put these through it.
Blimey. That is not allowed to hit the fence.
I saw that at the beginning, but I thought it's
No, it's not going to harm, is it? It's not going to harm.
Just checking my camera lens.
It's worse than Brayford, that is.
But Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
That is a clean break.
That's a clean
That is clean
snap.
off.
Look, the screw
That is
just
dead.
completely fallen off. Look,
I should have got a video of that.
it's here.
Actually,
Look,
on my iPhone.
What, you didn't get it on video?
look, you can see it.
I got the main part on this, but I should have got a better shot.
Did it literally break in mid-air?
Yeah. Wait, which way is Newark? Newark's that way, innit?
Newark is that way, towards Batley.
Yeah, remember.
Newark's towards Batley.
King's Cross to Leeds.
Brentford's... Oh, it's coming from this way.
Really fast here, like.
Yeah, that is too dangerous. That's going to do what, like, that's going to do the Barnby when it gets up.
Yeah.
It's going to do a bit of
Dirty, innit? Yeah, but
what Jamie calls the.
we're probably going to have to
wolf
stay back
method.
for it. Bloody thing.
The ward,
The rod.
the whapper. That's been in the
Bloody
same
thing.
time, but it's still as red as a box.
You know when
Apologies for the clouded screen.
Clouded.
We just got caught in Storm Abigail. I think it's gone
I
now.
think it was Abigail. It could be Scott.
That alarm there.
It could be Storm Adam
No, that
or
alarm.
Hurricane Shane.
Andrew.
That's not really...
That alarm there.
Whatever.
When that one went slow, this one got replaced. That's what.
That's
Oh,
weird.
Yeah. And remember in Joe's video, I had my dinner, so I'm
Here's
here
a
for
thing,
a long time.
I think.
I would not like to be here for a couple of hours a night.
I hear a thing.
I would kill myself if I had to be here for that long. Especially with that skirt, I'd literally kill myself.
I heard a horn, so I think there's a 91 up the line.
I
Yeah.
thought it was a train then. I had my dinner,
Really?
so I'm here for a long time now.
Oh dear, don't say.
Look, the skirt thing in the middle of them has completely come out as well.
Here's a thing.
This might be lucky.
Why?
We might get a quick open, or we might stay for 107. I'm not gambling anything, I'm just saying we might not.
Don't gamble, it's
Alive,
bad.
alive, oh.
Don't gamble, it's bad.
Here she is.
Here's a 91.
This is just off the back.
About to thunder past.
That is actually too dangerous.
It's not very dangerous, but it is dangerous.
Talk about a clean break.
Yeah.
I saved
That's a
David's
clean
life
strip.
at this crossing. He could have almost
go.
died. I saved his life.
Oh, it's a...
I'm going to make sure
it's not painted.
the snap skirt's
It's not painted.
Oh God! Look,
It's not painted.
it's scent as well. Oh, it's even
Nice one, 109, Bobby Robson. Bobby Robson and 228 to 82228 to Leeds.
Watch,
Look
it's
at
gonna do
that.
the Bambi, gonna
Watch
do
the
the Bambi.
Barnby.
And it's the same as scent as well.
Watch the Barnby.
That's it.
See you in the next video.